Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the circuit, turn off the correct fuse or breaker, and label it so you don't mix circuits. Next, confirm 0 voltage with a non-contact tester. This is how you know it's safe. Once done, remove the switch faceplate screws and keep them in a tray so nothing gets lost. Make sure to photograph wire positions before disconnecting. That photo is your wiring map when you reassemble, and it prevents mistakes later. With the faceplate off, loosen the terminal screws and carefully free each wire, live, switched live, and earth, keeping them separate. You must match the existing COM and L1/L2 positions on the new switch. Do not swap them because that changes which circuit is controlled. Strip only a few millimeters if needed, twist strands, and insert cleanly into the terminals, then tighten. Once wired, tug gently on each conductor to confirm a firm connection before folding the wires back into the box. Reattach the faceplate loosely, restore the breaker, and test the switch. Flip it several times to confirm stable operation. If the lamp won't light or flickers, switch the breaker off again and recheck wiring order and terminal tightness. Loose connections cause heat and failure. Make sure the earth is connected where required and verify with a tester. If you still have problems, or if you find damaged cable insulation, stop and call a qualified electrician. Safety and compliance matter more than saving a minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.